In the previous video, we learned how to save data to any document and how to get all documents in the collection. In this video, we'll learn how to update a specific document. Let's start by getting the name and email from the edit text. Then I'll use my or friend reference.update method. Here I need to specify either a map or a string field and object or a field path object and object parameters. I'll use the map, and this map will start with the key value pairs. I need to update the name, for example, and the value of the new name would be the name getted from edit text. You can use the email also. So I'll copy it, update email with the email. If we go up to friends reference in the collection of users in the document friends, here the document friends is not found because if we open our Cloud Firestore dashboard, we have this collection of users and we have two documents, and these are the names of these documents. So I can't create friends document, only one document. These documents are generated automatically when we insert them. I need to click on one of them and copy its name or the ID. This is for John. So whenever I need to update a specific document, I need to paste its ID or its name or its path. Let's call this in the update button. So update specific document and run the application. This is our application. I'll enter a new name, for example, ali@gmail.com. Click on update data. You will see how the email and name for this document will be changed. Refresh, and here we go. The name and email are updated. So this is how we update a specific document in the Firestore. Now let's move to the delete data. So here I'll add delete button dot set on click listener, new view on click listener, and I need to call a method called delete all, and I'll create it here. It's very simple. I'll use friend ref dot delete. This will delete the friends ref, which indicates this specific document. Let's run. Click on delete data, refresh, and you can see the users collection only contains one document. So congratulations guys, we learned about the basic operations, save, read, update, and delete data with Firebase Firestore.